வணக்கம். Welcome to SAP Basics 8th session on Start Your SAP Journey. In this session, we'll discuss one of the most common questions I receive from students and fresh graduates. Should I learn SAP or Java? We will explore which career suits mechanical, electrical, civil, and other non-IT graduates, and which SAP module you can confidently start with. This question came from one of my YouTube subscriber, and I am sure many of you have similar doubts. If you are wondering whether SAP is the right career choice for you or whether Java offers better opportunities, this video will give you complete clarity. In this session, first we will compare SAP and Java to understand the real difference between the two career paths. Then we will see why SAP is particularly suitable for engineering or non-IT backgrounds. We will discuss which SAP modules fit you best and how you can prepare for SAP journey and how you can learn, and finally look at the job prospects and career growth. When people ask me SAP or Java, I always tell them both are excellent, but they are very different paths. SAP is an ERP platform. You will be managing business processes like production, purchasing, maintenance, or finance using a system. Java is a programming language. You will be coding, developing web or mobile applications. So, Java focuses on software creation, while SAP focuses on business process execution. If you choose Java full stack, your focus will be on coding, both front end and back end. You will use tools like HTML, CSS, React, Spring Boot, and database like MySQL. It's a pure software development path, and it will be great if you enjoy programming, debugging, and building applications. In contrast, SAP careers revolve around understanding how a business operates and using the SAP system to turn it efficiently. You don't need programming skills for functional roles. You need to understand processes like production, materials, quality, and maintenance. SAP is used by thousands of global organizations, and consultants are always in demand. This quick comparison summarizes the difference. If you enjoy understanding business process and working with data, SAP fits you. If you love building applications and solving coding problems, Java is the way to go. As a mechanical, electrical, or civil engineer or other non-IT fresh graduates, you already understand how industries function, like equipment, materials, maintenance, and quality systems. SAP uses the same logic, but inside a ERP system. That means your background gives you a huge advantage. You only need to learn how to translate that industry knowledge into SAP processes, not learn complex coding. For fresh engineers from core branches, I recommend starting with the three modules mentioned here. SAP Plant Maintenance, that is SAP PM. SAP PM focuses on equipment maintenance, preventive planning, and breakdown management. SAP Quality Management means SAP QM. SAP QM manages inspection processes, quality checks, and compliance. Then SAP Materials Management, SAP MM. It deals with purchasing, inventory, and materials flow. All three connect strongly with your engineering knowledge. SAP PM, plant maintenance, helps companies manage plant maintenance, scheduling preventive maintenance, tracking equipment performance, and recording breakdowns. If you understand machinery, production lines, or maintenance planning, SAP PM will feel very natural to you. SAP Quality Management focuses on ensuring product quality. It handles inspection planning, results recording, and quality notifications when defects occur. It's ideal if you are interested in quality control, inspection processes, or ISO systems. SAP Materials Management deals with procurement and inventory management, ensuring the right materials are available at the right time. It is suitable for those interested in supply chain and purchasing functions. Apart from PM, QM, and MM, there are other exciting options in SAP. If you are curious about how production runs or how customer orders are managed, you can explore production planning SAP PP and sales and distribution SAP SD. Both are key business modules. For those who enjoy technical and coding activities, SAP also offers technical roles. ABAP is SAP's own programming language, very similar in logic to Java, so your interest in Java can actually help here. And if you love working with systems and networks, SAP Basics or administration roles focus on maintaining the SAP servers and performance. The point is, SAP has space for everyone, whether you prefer business, production, or pure IT. One of the most important yet often ignored skills in SAP careers is communication. Many technically strong candidates don't clear interviews because they can't clearly explain what they know. Remember, SAP consultants work with users, managers, and business leaders every day. So, your success depends not just on how much you know, but on how well you communicate. Practice explaining business processes in simple words. Learn to listen first, understand the problem, and then respond clearly. If you continuously improve this skill, it will make a huge difference in both your interviews and your long term career growth. If you are just starting your SAP journey, remember every expert once began with zero knowledge. First, decide your direction. If you like the business side, go for functional modules like PM, QM, MM, PP, or SD. If you enjoy coding or IT systems, technical modules like ABAP or BASIS are excellent. Start by learning the basics, what SAP does and how it connects business processes. Then move to hands-on practice. Using training servers or demo systems to explore transactions, that is where real learning happens. Practice is the key to learn SAP. Join learning communities, follow YouTube channels, SAP groups, or LinkedIn discussions. You will gain clarity and motivation. And finally, keep improving your communication and stay connected. Don't rush. Step by step, you will see yourself grow from a learner to a professional. Remember, SAP is not just a software, it is a world of opportunities waiting for you. SAP consultants are in huge demand across manufacturing, automotive, FMCG, and engineering sectors. You can start as an SAP associate or SAP consultant or support analyst and grow to senior user, key user, senior consultant, project manager, or even solution architect. Average fresher salaries are higher than typical IT support roles, and growth is steady because SAP is used globally and it's growing globally. In short, SAP is not just a job skill, it is a long term career path. So, if you enjoy programming and development, Java is an excellent choice. But if you prefer understanding how business operate, optimizing the processes, and applying your engineering knowledge, SAP is the better path. And if you want to go in between, if you love coding but still want to SAP, then try for SAP programming like ABAP. Or if you want to be in IT but in SAP, then go for SAP Basis and Administration. Remember, your background is your biggest advantage in SAP. Now it's your turn. Comment your background below. Are you mechanical, electrical, civil, or whichever non-IT engineer or even IT engineers? Which stream? And what is your analysis of your career you've done so far? What are the doubts and clarifications you have? Put them into the comment section of this session. I will reply with the right and clarifications and also any suggested module. And don't forget to watch the full SAP Basics series, which is discussing on the fundamentals of ERP, SAP, how to prepare for SAP, those kind of things. And once you decide, you can learn SAP MM and SAP PP through my structured courses. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you decide your career direction, like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. I will see you in the next session. Until then, keep learning and keep growing in SAP.